that black, yo. Queen, 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 yeah. Queen, queen.
Hey babes, and welcome back to my channel. So for this look, we will be making a romper. So what you'll be needing is some shorts, or if you have a one piece already, oh my gosh, polo. Of course, he's going to be a part of this video as well, but anyways, so I will be using these shorts and the dress that I made before, because I like the way it fit. So the bottoms is pretty much just going to be for the shorts part. And I'm just going to go in and cut the little triangle piece out between the legs. And after that, I will be placing the dress on top, and I will be cutting up the sides of the dress. Now I'm just going to cut up the side of the shorts. And remember, you always want to cut inches away so that you can make sure it fits. Okay, so yeah, now we're going to place the dress on here if Polo will move out the way. And we're just going to cut up the sides. So now we have that out the way. I thought about just doing a little head tie, headband, whatever you want to call it. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just going to cut straight up, and I'll be using that for my little head tie you will see at the end of the video. Now I am going to flip the top towards me so we can do the spaghetti straps. I kind of messed these up, and like I told y'all on last video, I'm trying to perfect the shoulder part, but the arm part. But yeah, we just gonna cut down on the sides of each one, and then we're gonna go ahead and cut across to cut it out. And now we're gonna go in and pick out which color thread we'll be using. I didn't know if I should do pink or green, so I decided the green because we already had a lot of pink. And now I'm going to show you where I will be sewing. So we're going to sew up the sides and in between the legs. And now we're all done sewing, and this is how it looks. I'm gonna flip it in and try it on. This look real good on my skin. Y'all see my stomach almost gone away too, right? But yes, this is the finishing look. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, and I'm out. Peace. Mwah.